Good morning. Get ready with me. So, ayun. It's been a while since my last daily vlog. So, ayun, mag-vlog ulit tayo. And right now, it's currently 2nd sem. Ang pasok ko is actually 2:30 pa. Pero meron kami, mag-meet kami ng mga groupmate ko sa thesis. So, I'm going sa school na 11:30. Kailangan 11:30 nandun ako. So, maalis ako dito 10. So, it's been a while since my last video. And syempre, nagbago din ako subject namin. So, I don't know, I just wanna give you some overview on yung subject namin this sem. So, today, Monday, dapat meron kami rad bio. Pero, naging asynchronous lang. Kaya, I don't know, maybe may nangyari. Nagpa-asynchronous na. So, it's our lab. And then, meron kaming thesis. Tapos, naayos na namin since malapit na yung collective results. Nagpapasali kami this Friday. And, ayan. 1 year pa lang meron na kaming research. And I don't know sa ibang school. Pero, I think, interview. Kasi alam ko nagbago yung curriculum namin. So, that's why, meron na kaming research ng 2nd year. For me, ngayon na 2nd sem, parang ang pose is, mahirap pa rin siya. Pero, if you're going to ask me kung ano mas mahirap, 1st sem na pose or 2nd sem, I would say na parehas. I mean, like, meron silang pros and cons. Pero I think mas madali yung 2nd sem. Kasi kapag ngayon 2nd sem, mostly cranium na. As in, buong sem, puro sa ulo namin. So, yeah. Ang cons kasi dito is madaming angulation. Tapos, pare-parehas yung position. Unlike sa 1st sem, iba-iba yung position. Tapos, iba-iba yung reference point. So, ay, pick your poison na lang. As an oily person, naglalasa siya ng mga at least like 3 hours. Unlike sa ABCD. I've been using ABCD since August din. Pero, I think 1 hour pa lang oily na ako tingnan. So, ito talaga. Mas, right now, mag-review lang ako for our process. Right now, nasa max na kami. So, ayun, that's ngayon muna. Ngayon, it's current time check. It's currently 8:30. So, alis ako ng 10 sa bahay. And mag-review muna ako para mag-uwi ko. Mamaya is, iba naman yung review ito. Hi guys! So, ngayon, POI namin and meron kaming lab. So, this is our lab 9. This is our lab 8. We have 2. Tapos, hinintay namin yung turn namin kasi pang 3rd kami. So, and currently, ano ba tawag doon? Ang assignment sa akin is runner, which is yung pinaka-ayoko. At saka dark room. Ayoko nun. Kasi kapag dark room, ang sakit sa ilo, sakit sa ulo kasi yung sa chemical. Kapag runner, wala, tatakbo ka lang. Kuha naman yung cassette, ibibigay mo dun sa exposure area, gano'n. Gusto ko yung pumipindot.
I'm a measurer of SIBR and a collimator.
Yeah, just a runner. Ayun, we'll see if if makakagulo ako sa kanila.
Yeah. Feeling ko naman.
Okay na?
Okay.
Sa ilalim. So, today is Tuesday and we have practicals and it's for both. And then we have PD. So right now, it's going to have my exams. next subject, posing. So, what do you feel? I feel na rin nabamot. Kaya ako nasusuka habang naligo kanina. Daily routine. Naganoon talaga ako. Pero wala ako siya. Parang, ano ba dapat? Parang na-feel ko lang. Yan, feel ko lang. Pero guys, lagi naman kami may posing.
Wala namang bago.
Wala namang bago, pero nakabanda kami.
Lagi kami kinakabahan.
Iya, dapat di ka na pumasok.
Wala ito guys.
Sa college, walang sakit. Ayan, may sakit.
Ayan, ang nilang lang yan. Papasok lang. Ano ba yun? Yung uso yun, no?
Hammer. Karate ka lang. Sino ba yung chop ko? Nakatapos na ng PE namin, tapos nagpalit ulit kami sa scrubs or sa uniform kasi hindi kami makakapasok ng library kapag naka-PE. So, ayun, gagawa pa kami ng research. Hindi ko na kaya. Ang sakit na ng ulo ko. Ang dami nangyayari ngayong araw. Ay, mga tao dito sa library, puro RT, mga grinder. Kasi sa Friday yung pasahan ng or collect lang. So, this one, essential. Hey guys, time check. 8:17 p.m. Hindi pa kami tapos sa research. Right now, nandito kami sa 24 Chicken. We're gonna eat. Kasi super haba ng day na. We deserve this. Yeah, we deserve this. Like, whether we fail, whether we pass, we deserve this. Let's call it. Saka ako kanina sa coffee for the first time. Isang dami tao ngayon. Paano kung pumunta tayo hindi ko siya? Sana masarap. Para na masarap. I look at the view. Come on, show the view. Come on, bro. The view is so perfect. So perfect ang view. Yes, that's the view, guys. You can see the polluted Philippines. And the food panda. Okay, bumingo na kami, guys. Bingo. Just got home. So, time check. It's 9:31. Reality check tayo, no? So, after mo umuwi, syempre, hindi ka pa magpapahinga. Ang dami mong gagawin. Like, that's a normal day. Yeah, in healthcare. Shit, or in other, din naman, I think. Pero, super frustrating. Feeling ko, super dami nangyari ngayong araw. Like, Tuesday pa lang. Feeling ko yung ginawa namin kanina is pang Friday na. Like, pumasok kami ng ethics, tapos ng POSI, which is like, super draining as in. Tapos, nag-PE. So, after ko isabak sa POSI, may PE ka pa. Diba? After that, nag-research kami until almost 8 and then had dinner kasi we deserve a good dinner, so we had decided na not for chicken. So yeah, that's for today. See you tomorrow if I can.
Breathe.
That looks so yum! What the hell?
Sila nakasamgyu. Ako nakabaon. Titipid ako.
Currently, it's 7 and kakauwi ko lang and ngayong araw, puro research lang talaga ginawa namin. Like, tinapos namin yung paper namin for like chapter 1 and chapter 2 and then questionnaires. Tapos after that, pumunta akong national just for some folders kasi I need yun for requirements. And then, ngayon, mag-aaral ako for our quiz tomorrow which is professional ethics. And then, madami siya sa mga PPTs siya and wala pa ako nasisimulan. That's a normal day, like, super busy, like, merong mga times or most of the times is like, sa isang araw, sobrang dami nangyayari and then feeling mo na lahat ng ginawa mo today is worth yung pagod pang hanggang Friday. Pero in reality, Monday pa lang or Tuesday pa lang. Ganun siya. Tapos parang mostly sa sobrang overwhelming, kailangan mo maging adaptable, kailangan mo maging flexible. Like yesterday, sobrang dami nangyari and may practicals kami, tapos first time ko bumaksak, and then ayun, move on ka na kagad kasi may research pa kami, so wala akong time para iyakan yung practicals na yun. And super nakaka-frustrate siya syempre kasi I've been inaaral ko yun nung 2 days before, so yeah, tapos baksak, okay lang, that's life. So move on, ganun siya, like ganun, tsaka fast-paced and overwhelming, so just be ready. So yeah, right now I'm just going to review it. So
Hi guys!
Pasok mo.
Nasa Lourdes kami.
So, inasakaso kasi namin yung research namin. Tapos,
Ay, sorry.
kailangan namin magpa-print. Kasi wala pa-print na dito sa loob. Tapos, naglakad kami from 1 to the 1. Tapos, nabalik kami from the 1 to the 1.
Dito na lang mga friends.
Nakawala. Puro na lang edukasyon.
Oo, wala nang binagbago. Edukasyon na lang ng edukasyon.
Wala man lang kain. Edukasyon na lang na edukasyon.
Guys, alam niyo ba kung ano kinain niya?
Girl lunch, scramble, ano pa? Ano ba tayo natin kanina? Green peas.
Oo, tapos
Girl lunch, green.
Tapos wala siyang tubig.
Wala akong tubig. Sige. Ano pa bang gusto nila?
Ewan ko na. Ayan, we're going back to the one.
Yeah.
From the one.
Yeah, sobrang...
So that's it for today's video, and I hope you have a glimpse of what we actually do on a daily basis or on a weekly basis. And sorry kasi hindi ako nakapag-vlog ng maayos since super busy and we only have like 30 to 1 hour na rest. So ayun, hindi kami nakakain in time since nilalaan lang namin yung time or yung rest na yun to actually review for the next subject. And as you have observed na puro aral na lang, well, that's the reality. Lagi na lang kami nag-aaral. But what I can actually say is that it is important to actually balance your work-life balance or your academic life balance. Kasi if not, you're prone to burnout, which is mahirap talaga. So ayun, that's my advice. Kahit like super busy, at least like kumain ka sa labas once a week or manood ka or gawin mo yung gusto mo gawin in a week, kahit in 5 hours lang or 2 hours, ganun, if you don't really have the time. But ayun nga, and I hope that you have enjoyed this video and have an idea on really do. So that's it for today, and thank you for watching.